like action, and then there's other ones that I'll do, like I do drawings of dragons and stuff. I like to draw dragons, and so like if I'm doing like a big, like impressive, scary dragon, I'm gonna do a red one.
Why?
Red dragon.
Why? So the reason I was saying that, you know, there's an infinite amount of different ways that the instrument could be played. And one is, I discovered that I could play the harp like this. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like